Morning, this is Gracie Opulenta and I'm all about eccentric and opulent lifestyle. You can find out a lot about me and my digital nomad life on my YouTube. And today I'm going to be talking about On Guard essential oils. I have many essential oils just to give you an idea of a few here. And I'm going through menopause, so I like to do things very natural if I can. And I got frankincense here. And Doterra, well, I've been using it for a while. My sister absolutely spends thousands and thousands of euro on it. And so I don't, if I get infections, I use it. I don't know if it really works. But in saying that, I love the smells. I rather use natural essential oils than horrible cleaning products because of my menopause and age and hormonal changes. Very sensitive to smells. So On Guard is a cleaning product. So you put about 6 to 8 drops into some water. I use this little spray. And this is a travel spray because I travel a lot. And I like, when you stay in hotels or Airbnbs, they have a distinctive smell. I think they're disgusting, hotels and Airbnbs, because if you just think, especially in hotels or Airbnbs in Rome, they're just used by so many people. So as a cleaning product, as a travel product, even on aeroplanes and trains, I take a little travel bottle, 8 drops of On Guard, which is a natural way of cleaning. And this video is about, does it really clean? I love the smell. I'm going to spray a bit here. I really love the smell. So I'll shake it. I'm going to spray here. This is just tea in my sink, if you want to know what that is, just tea. I also have castor oil for aches and pains. Make sure you look on castor oil, and I store it in a glass. Have a look. So I find that it doesn't really take harsh marks away. And this is like a new cupboard, and with the essential oils or castor oil, I'm always just having a very stained mark cupboards but I love the smell. Now this is a clean toilet brush that I only use for sinks, not toilets. That's my top tip. Wait! Use a toilet brush, a clean one, an extra one, not for your toilet, just to do your sink and that. Is that coming off? Let's have a look. But it smells wonderful. Look, it does give a shine. Let's have a look. Yeah, not 100%, but it'll do. As I said, the smell is what I adore. I don't use it for my toilets and that because I've not really tried. I could try. And again, traveling, I travel a lot. That's just here. I travel a lot. So Italy and toilets are disgusting. Italians, because I live in a villa, 10 times out of 10, the toilet seat is removed. I don't know why. So you've got, and they're disgusting. So if you're traveling in Italy, always take the On Guard with spray. That is medicine that I had for my tongue. I had my parts of my tongue cut out for a growth, and I had to put this disinfectant on, and it stained my toilet seat. So that's what you're looking at. I don't use that one. That one is for my sink. So let's try. Oh God, hold on. But this is great tip for when you travel. I travel a lot. Right. Again, it smells amazing. The On Guard, I wonder if it'll take this away. This is really just that disinfectant for my mouth, and it's just stained the toilet. Nothing you can do about that. But here, especially in Italy, the toilets are really disgusting, the public ones. I mean, are really disgusting. I've just been in Rome. No matter where I go, Florence, Lucca, Rome, Siena, because of the mass tourism. So that's my tip. On Guard, I'm using the Doterra as a natural cleaner. I'm menopausal, I'm very sensitive to smells. Take this wherever you go, on planes, trains, automobiles, public toilets, and use it as a spray, because public toilets are disgusting, and also in your home. And also here you can put it, essential oils if you're having a shower. So I could have peppermint or oregano on the bottom of my feet. I drop a couple of oils there while I'm showering, but I'm normally cold showering anyway. So as I said, Doterra is a product I've been using for years. I'm not sure if it really works. My sister swears by it. A lot of people swear by it. I have incredible amount. I haven't bought any of these, and I got more. My sister keeps giving them to me. But as I said, they smell wonderful. I burn the oils in my villa, you know, because villas, 300-year-old Italian villa, have distinctive smells. I do love the smell of the On Guard, and I would highly recommend it to use as a cleaner, even in your kitchen bench. I have a tiled kitchen bench. In fact, let me show you. So this is my kitchen here in a 300-year-old farmhouse here in Tuscany. Wouldn't recommend doing this. I think it's really unhygienic. These are cheap tiles that they've replaced with. And can you see all that grit and grime? I'm always trying to clean it. And nothing seems to work, really. But the On Guard, I love the smell. And I'm very sensitive to smells. So, as I said, in a little bottle, spray 8 drops in water. And if nothing else, well, let's have a look. See this? I can't get that stain off. I mean, and then let's have a look. Does it come off? Oh, yeah, look. And it does smell better, especially, you know, when you're cutting on these or food. See that? It does smell better than cleaning. You can see all that. Just don't ever do this. I mean, don't even get me started on that. I mean, Italians, I say. So this is a great kitchen. If you want granite, marble, but don't ever do this. It's just really hard to keep clean. I don't think it's the most hygienic. And, I mean, that doesn't even match, does it? But not my kitchen. But back to On Guard, Doterra, and good for cleaning. Let's see. This is, can check all about my IKEA kitchen. So let's just spray a little bit here. And then I would just get, oh, can do even my table. Hold on. And if anything else, yeah, look, this comes clean because it's modern and a product that keeps easily cleaned. And it just smells really nice on the nasal passage. Shall we try my fridge? That's me in Australia. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, that looks And again, really nice smell. This is a new fridge. Let's say someone took the sticker off here. Let's just do this, show you. So On Guard, 8 drops. Is that coming off? No. So, well, that's just permanent mark maybe. You'll need something more than that. But generally, as an everyday wipe, anything harsh, it's not the best. But I do love the smell, and especially if you've got a kitchen like this, just spraying it every day. Very good for any modern IKEA surface or even your stereo. Just really nice smells. And also my working desk, my stand-up working desk here. I spray it on here as well because it's really clean. So highly recommend it. Share your top tips. Even on my wardrobe, this would be good. Again, the smell is wonderful. Not cheap, but don't go skimping on what smells and on your body. So here, Doterra On Guard's cleansing properties to help purify your home. Oh, laundry, you can also put it in while you're washing. I think this would be great and gentle if you're washing any hand wash products. Fantastic. That's not dirty water. That's just what it looks like. And provides serious cleansing benefits and keeps your family safe. Cleansing benefits, I would say that this is fantastic as a non-scrub, everyday, modern bamboo tile surfaces, just to give that a spring clean, and even on your laptop. Like, subscribe, leave your comment, and check out on my castor oil as well. That's fantastic for aches and pains. Thank you very much.